Hi, welcome to EduInspire channel. Today in number system we will talk about irrational and real numbers. So in part 1 we talked about rational numbers, that is the numbers which can be written in form of p upon q. So irrational numbers will be the numbers which cannot be written in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. For example, root 2, root 3, root 10, etc. Now let's talk about real numbers. Real numbers are collection of all rational and irrational numbers. It is denoted by symbol R. In other words, a real number is either rational or irrational number. Real number is represented by a unique point on the number line. Every point on the number line represents a unique real number. Number line is also called the real number line. Let's go through the examples given in the NCERT notebooks. Example 3. Locate root 2 on the number line. Let's go through it step by step. Let's draw a line and mark a point O and A as one unit. Then draw a perpendicular starting from A up to point where AB is equal to OA. Then join point O and B. So we can see OAB becomes a right angle triangle. With OA equal to 1 unit and AB equal to 1 unit, using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of OB as shown on the screen. So OB becomes root 2. Using a compass with center O and radius OB, draw an arc intersecting the number line. This point corresponds to root 2. Now let's go through next example, which asks us to locate root 3 on the number line. We will follow the same steps which we have done in the previous example. After drawing root 2, we will construct line BD of unit length perpendicular to OB as shown on the screen. Then join the point O and D as shown. So we can see OBD forms a right angle triangle with OB equal to root 2 and VD equal to 1 unit. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of OD as shown on the screen. So OD becomes root 3. Using the compass with center O and radius OD, draw an arc intersecting the number line. This point corresponds to root 3 on the number line. In the same way, you can locate root n for any positive integer n after root n minus 1 has been located. Now let's go through exercise 1.2. Question number 1 is a true or false type question. So question number 1, part 1 is every rational number is a real number. So the answer is true, since collection of real number is made up of rational and irrational numbers. Part 2 is every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a natural number. So the answer is false. No negative number can be square root of any natural number. Part 3 is every real number is an irrational number. So the answer is false. For example, 2 is a real number but not irrational number. Question 2 is, are the square root of all positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of the square root of a natural number that is a rational number. The answer is no. For example, root 4 is equal to 2, which is a rational number. Question 3 is, show how root 5 can be represented on the number line. Please follow the step as shown in examples in this video. We hope you like our video. Please subscribe this channel and like this video.